If you want to make money writing and selling books, information products, but especially books, I've made over $100,000 selling books. I'm releasing a new book right now, and I have a new book coming out in a few months. This has absolutely changed my life, and I'm going to share it with you real quick in this video. Okay, first of all, I'm a Brendon Burchard member. I've read all his books. I take his online courses. I'm right now in a hotel, traveling around the country in the United States, speaking. And I'm at the gym getting a workout, and I'm about to fire up Kajabi and listen to Brendon Burchard's latest monthly livecast. That's what motivates me and keeps me going. So listen, if you want to write a book and make money, well, the first step is, and that's why I'm the perfect guy to tell you this, because I'm not like some multimillionaire best-selling author, right? I will be making $100,000 this year on the internet, and I'm releasing a book within a few weeks here. So, excuse me. Well, first thing is, you have to believe that the book is actually going to sell and you're going to make money and it's going to create impact in people's lives. And stop forcing yourself to write the book as far as procrastinating and never getting around to doing it. You have to flip the script so it's pulling you, like, oh my God, I got to hurry up and finish this book. Oh my God, and realize that you're not too late. You're actually ahead of your time. This is all early before anybody knows. And it's all what's in your thinking. So when you finish this whole book, I go on Fiverr or Upwork.com and I hire virtual assistants, professional editors, and proofreaders. And for about $600, I have a professional editor and proofreader and formatter do my whole book. And then I like to create the graphic design for the book cover myself, because I have a system down. I'm pretty good at it. You might not be good at it, so hire a professional graphic designer. But anyways, you publish the book on Amazon, on Kindle, you put it on your website, you sell it in an ebook, you get a little recording unit, you record the entire book in an audio format to make an audio book, and you upload it to Amazon, Audible, and now you have like 3 different streams of income. We have Amazon KDP, ebooks, Kindle. Then you have Audible, it's another stream of income. Then you have paperback books. And then you can sell all that on your website too. So 5 different streams of income. Now what if nobody buys the book? Well, of course nobody's going to buy the book if you don't promote it and make it visible in public and talk about it and teach about it and let everybody know about your book and why they should buy it and what it's going to do for them and what problem it's going to solve and how it's going to help them. So that's why you do a pre-launch and a seed launch. You can learn about this stuff by Brendon Burchard or Jeff Walker, product launch formula. You start letting people know about the book before it's even out, right? Now that you let them know, you got to finish the book. Then when you do an entire launch, you launch the book, you create your funnel, and you literally don't shut up about the book. You keep talking about the book. Do a live video on Instagram and on Facebook. Go live once a week for like 2 months straight and read an entire chapter of your book and share it with everybody and post it and share it and put it on LinkedIn, put it all over the place with links for in exchange for people's name and email address, and $10 they can get your book, right? Then inside of your book, you're going to enroll them and direct them to go back to your website, or you're going to follow up with emails that's going to enroll them in your online course or your monthly continuity subscription program with ongoing training or one-on-one strategy session, or you could do coaching. Like I charge $125 an hour for coaching. Well, look, keithkalfas.com/call if you want to get on the phone with me. So it takes a long time, but once you get all this stuff set up and you get the ball rolling, it actually starts working and you start making money at this stuff. And like I said, this will be the first year I'll be making. I just did $60,000 this year. Last year, $60,000 the year before, $50,000 the year before online. That doesn't include doing 100 and I don't know the exact numbers. Sorry. The reason I'm acting weird is because I'm under a lot of pressure and I'm under a lot of stress. I feel like there's a time clock beating over my head, and I have so many things that I want to do and I want to accomplish in my life, and yet the days are just flying by, and I want to be a selfish bastard and just work 15 hours a day. That's all I want to do is fucking work. That's all I want to do is work. I'm obsessed. I want to write a fucking 100 books. I want to write a fucking 1,000 books. I want to travel all over the country. I want to fucking speak all over the world. I'm about to get on this treadmill. I want to run 1,000 miles. I want to live for 1,000 years. I have so many things I want to do with my life, dude. I can imagine working a 9-to-5 desk job. Oh, your whole life until you just fucking die. What a fucking boring ass life. Where's some Kleenex up in here, dude? Fuck.